Ayup, welcome to our Roundwood timber framed outdoor kitchen project, part 1, the foundation. So let me introduce you to our backyard. This was all dug out when we first moved in by hand. So this was like 4 foot high, and it was all the soil was backed up against this wall here. So when I went to the Roundwood timber framing course, I was so fascinated by that whole process of making structures with roundwood poles. So I want to be able to create an undercover area with a tiled roof, so see those tiles up there, a roundwood timber frame up, pitched roof to match this roof. The building itself, I want to be able to put a swing seat with a bit of a barbecue area potentially, and then the wind to take the swing seat down and have it as a storage area for logs for burning, because we've got a wood burner. First job is to get rid of this. I'm going to clean up those blue bricks which are there. Right, I reckon we can work with that. On this one I want to be able to have a staggered leg approach, so one leg would come up from there'd be a foundation pad in there, and the one leg would come up and go up to create the A-frame up to there, and then this one would come down and sit on there like that. Because of where this gabion is, it's right where the support leg is, and I can't put a support leg down there. What I'm going to do is set that on a bit of a concrete pad, set this down so there'll be a pole that sits on here, part of the A-frame, and then the other log will sit on this bit. It looks like the log will hopefully kind of look like it's disappearing inside the gabion. That's the theory. So just pick these up from Repton, chopper there, selling them on Facebook Marketplace. Although there's not enough to do this area, I think what I might do is go and buy a couple of new slabs for the centre, and then have a block paving around the edges. That was what I think I'm going for. I'm going to level this. We'll get the ground prepped first. Man, you're all dusty. Sorry about that. So yesterday I put these pads in. Now, in an ideal world, I guess these pads would probably be a bit bigger, but because there's not really going to be a great deal of weight, there's only really the weight of the roof tiles. Normally you would have a fairly big concrete footing. Although small, I'm confident they'll be adequate for what I want. Today we are going to be laying block paving and slabs. Just got to finish pointing the slab over there, and then the other job this morning is to fit that slab onto there and get that nice and level. Another job I've yet got to do is I've got to get some kiln dried sand, just brush the kiln dried sand into the gaps. So that concludes part one of the Roundwood timber framed outdoor kitchen project. The foundation is laid. Please join us for the second part, where we'll be starting to plan out the Roundwood timber frame, doing all the joinery and getting all of the timber framed ready. And if you're able to, try and enjoy your outdoor space this summer. Thanks for watching. See you on part 2.